So to start, we're going to take our yarn here and make a magic ring. So I'm going to make the little E, put my hook inside this E, this loop, pull the yarn coming from the skein, and here I'll start with 3 chains. These 3 chains will already serve as my first double crochet in the round. So I'm going to make 2 more double crochets here in this same base space, which in this case is the magic ring. I'll make 2 chains, then continue double crochets inside the magic ring. I'm going to make 3 double crochets again. So I'm going to make 2 chains and 3 double crochets here in this space. I make 2 chains and again I'm going to make 3 double crochets here in this space. It's important for you to pay attention to how many repetitions you've done so far. In my case here, I made 1, 2, 3, 4 repetitions of 3 double crochets, 4 blocks of 3 double crochets each. We are going to need these 4 blocks. Check if you've made these 4 blocks. Now, close the magic ring by pulling the leftover thread we've had since the start of this round. I've closed this little center. Leave it tight and pull until it's fully closed. Then we'll have this shape. It's important that you have this shape so that you actually have a proper little square made. Otherwise, you'll end up with a piece in a different shape. And now, at the very end of this round, I'm going to make 2 more chains, and I'll close it here with a slip stitch to finish this little square. I'm going to move along here with slip stitches then to this other corner space of the square. I'm going to chain 3 as the first double crochet. Now I'll add 2 more double crochets in this chain space from the previous round. I make 2 chains and I'm going to put 3 double crochets inside this space again. Now I have my first corner of this round. Here's a shell of 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets in one spot. I'm going to make a chain for spacing and go to the next corner of this little square from the previous round. Here in this chain space, I'm going to make my block of 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the same place. So now I have my second corner here. I'm making a chain for spacing. I do the same thing in the next corner, so you can see the repetition here. In each corner, we will always repeat this shell of 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets. And between one shell and another, I will make a chain. Here I am already at the last corner of the square, making this shell again with 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets in the same place. I make a chain here at the end and join with a slip stitch, finishing this round.